Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Kumar. In the last video, I have given you MCQ questions, and in this video onwards, I would like to give you case study questions. You know, children, this year onwards, CBSE is giving that case study questions also, that to 3 questions. Most of the children, they are feeling that they are difficult and different. Children, try to understand these are not different and difficult. Though little bit different might be, but they are not very difficult. If your concepts, what you are learning from your textbook, are very strong and very clear, these questions is very easy to solve it. Don't lose your confidence. Okay, anyhow, regular practice is very much important to solve these type of questions. As my level best, I would like to give you some case study questions through my channel. Okay, let us see on the question on the screen. There is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. So it is a pharmaceutical company producing. So generally, you know, the productions and like what other materials are required, basically will be expressed in type of matrix forms. With knowing, without knowing, you see that in your textbook also, there's some kind of questions are there, some of the numbers given, and the question like a vegetable market, like, you know, example questions. And one model question was given in your textbook also about farmers. You see in matrix, it is there. Anyhow, let us come to this question. See, the production of the Sun Pharmaceutical Company is given that. You see the second paragraph. Sun Pharmaceutical produce 3 final chemical products P1, P2, P3, requiring mix-up of 3 raw material chemicals M1, M2, M3. The per unit, is it the per unit requirement of each product and each material in liters is as follows. Now, first question coming to this one, find the total requirement of each material if the farm produces 100 liters of each product. So they have given unit values. So now we have to go for 100 liters. Okay, let us take the matrix. What is the matrix? 100 liters per needed. See, this matrix order is 3 by 3. Then we need another matrix, which is the rows here 3. So columns should be coincident. So that should be 1 by 3 matrix. That is 100, 100, 100 since. So now let me multiply, that is BA, which is 100, 100, 100. Into the matrix, what is that? 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. In the question, they have given that P1, P2, P3. Okay, this is P1. So P2, P3. It is given that M1, M2, M3. So obviously, here whatever the column, your row should be same. P1, P2, P3. Now when you multiply, this is 1 by 3 matrix and this is 3 by 3. This is 1 by 3 matrix and 3 by 3. So if you multiply, so be a matrix, you will get it row with the column. So 200, 400, 200. And 300, 200, 400. Next one, 100, 500, and 200. So the matrix BA, you will get it 800, 900, 800. See the question totally. The total requirement of each material. So these are like materials, M1, M2, M3 materials are required. So the first question completed. Next, find the per unit cost of production. Per unit cost of production of per unit of materials. M1, M2, M3. Materials. They have given materials. It is very clear. So we have to go for this question now. Question, and we are going to use this one matrix. It is given that unit materials. So let us take the matrix again. A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. So they said clearly materials M1, M2, M3. And the cost it is given that 5, 10, and 5. Why we are taking so? Here, see, here P1, P2, P3 is given. So P1, P2, P3 are rows. So row with columns 3 by 3. And here we have to take these are also material cost only. So then only the columns, whatever materials describing, and here rows will be mapped. Then we can do the production easily and multiply. See, row with column. So matrix A will be 2 into 5, 10, 30, and 5. And next one, second row, 20, 20, and 25. And next one, 10, 40, and 10. So now, which will be 45 and 65 and 60. See, what are these? We got it like, we got a matrix, but what is a matrix stands for? This matrix, you see, materials we used it. So now we are getting now this is P1, P2, P3. Now find the total cost of production if they produce 200 liters of each product, 200 liters of each product. Now we have to take another matrix. So let me take another matrix as C. See, we have that matrix product. See, this order is 3 into 1. And they're asking total cost. So definitely we should get total cost in the sense the order should be the matrix is 1 by 1. So we have to take the matrix now 1 by 3. So 200, 200, 200. Now multiply C and A. 200, 200, 200, and with 45, 65, and 60. So multiply 200 into 45. 9,000. 200 into 65. 13,000. 200 into 60. 12,000. Total 34,000. It's not rupees, 34,000. So this is what is it? The total cost. Yes, this is rupees only. The total cost of production if it produces 200 liters. So total 34,000 rupees it takes. So I hope so you understood the question. See children, whatever the top it is given that M1, M2, M3, P1, P2, P3, you should be very clear what is they're asking, material they're asking, product they're asking, or like how to multiply the matrix, order of the matrix. See, simple. If you know the order of the matrix, this question is very, very easy. So that's, again, I'm coming back. Basic concepts should be very, very strong and very clear. And coming to the second question, commodity prices are primarily determined by the forces of supply and demand in the market. For example, if the supply of oil increases, the price of one barrel decreases. Conversely, if demand for oil increases, when which often happens during the summer, the price rises. Gasoline and natural gas fall into the energy commodities category. The price P of each unit of particular commodity is estimated to be changing at the rate dp by dx, which is equal to minus 135x divided by root over 9 plus x square. See, generally, if you see Sensex and today news channel, if you see the crude oil rate increased, so it's a commodity rate is decreased, increase. So it is deciding crude oil totally deciding. So totally depends upon that usage and demand. Okay, anyhow, coming to this one, this concept is given dp by dx is equal to minus 135x divided by root over 9 plus x square. This is a relation between that. So, children, when you are looking at this question, you may not get idea, but if you see clearly, this is from differential equations. We have done variable supplement method. Now, coming to the first question, find the demand function. So, he is asking the demand function. It is given the rate of change in demand function. So, variable supplement method you are supposed to do. Now, dp by dx, which is equal to minus 135x divided by root over 9 plus x square. So, do change different like dp I'm leaving here, dx I'm sending minus 135x divided by root over 9 plus x square and dx. I'm doing integration on both sides. Now integration of dp, which is p. So they're asking demand function, so p of x. And minus 135 also, I'll take it out. And it is x divided by root over 9 plus x squared dx. Right. Now, what I'm going to do, this denominator, whatever, 9 plus x square, I'm taking as t, or f of x function. Differentiate it, I'll get 2x dx. I'll get f dash x function. It means, if I multiply and divide with the 2, numerator, denominator, I'll get like f dash x by f of x formula. So the formula 2 into root over f of x. So p of x function minus 135 by 2 into 2 into root over f of x function 9 plus x square and plus constant. So 2 gets cancelled. So p of x is equal to minus 135 into root over 9 plus x square plus constant. So this is the first question now. At what price will be 300 units be demanded? Okay, before going to that, see, we needed this arbitrary constant C value also. So before going to that, where X 100 units of the consumer demand, the number of units purchased at the price, suppose 400 units are demanded, that we have to take X equal to 4. When the price is $30 per unit. So now, you are supposed to find the C value. So let me go for case 1. He said X value 4 and P value it is 30. So substitute this. So P value 30 minus 135 into root over 9 plus 4 square 16 plus constant. 30 is equal to minus 135 and square root of 25. Square root of 25, which is 5. Plus constant. Then constant is equal to 30 plus this one 675. This 705. Now the total cost function, it becomes P of x is equal to once again. P of x is equal to minus 135 into root over 9 plus x squared, and you got C value, which is 705. Now coming to the second question. When the demand, at what price 300 units be demanded? At what price will 300 units be demanded? See, 300 units. See, it's at 400 units, X value is taking 4. And 300 units, we have to take X value of 3. So let us take X value 3. And at what price will no units be demanded? So there are two questions. One question 300 units, one question no units. So now X value P of x is equal to, this is a question is given. Now let us take X value as 3 units. Now P of 3 minus 135 into root over 9 plus 9, 705. Now minus 135 roots 9 plus 9, root 18. So if you simplify, it is 3 root 2 plus 705. So minus 135 into 3 into 1.414 plus 705. So if you simplify, definitely we'll get the answer in dollars. That's all. And second, in the same thing, no units. It means x value 0. So P of 0, it is minus 135 into root over 9 plus 0 square plus 705. So minus 135 into root over 9. Root over 9, it will be 3 plus 705. So minus 135, which is 405 minus 705. So $300 per unit. So this is question number 2. So try to read the question very clearly. They said 300 units. Don't substitute 300 as, since it is given x value is 4. 400 units, x value 4. So x value 300. So 3 you should supposed to take it. How many units per demand at a price 20 rupees per unit? $20 per unit. Okay, now the question, we have supposed to find x value. So given that $20, so 20 is equal to the demand function, what you got it now, minus 135 root 9 plus x squared plus 705. Now carry over 705 to other side. 20 minus 705 minus 685 is equal to minus 135 root over 9 plus x squared 9 plus x squared is equal to minus 685 divided by minus 135. I'm doing the calculation. This is 685 divided by 135. It is approximately, I'm getting as 5.07. Square root missing, sorry. 9 plus x squared is equal to 5.07. Now squaring on both sides, so 9 plus x squared is equal to 5.07 whole square. Five 5.07 whole square I'm getting 25.74. And x square is equal to 25.74 minus 9, it is 16.74. Then, so x, if we need it, so x is equal to square root of 16.74. I'm calculated, so I'm getting 4.909. So now the question is that how many units? So we got x value 4.09. So x value 4.09. So is it 400 units? 4. So 4.09. So x value 4.09. So this is not the answer. You have to convert into 100 units. So x value will be 409 units. It is rough figure. What is it? We got 409 units at a price of $20 per unit. This is a little bit confusing, but if you are very clear with this one concept, then it is very easy to solve it. Okay, children. So I hope so you like my video. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Please keep watching my channel. Thank you.